Okay, at this midpoint of the repair, I wanted to stop and show you. So sometimes there's multiple pieces of a vehicle that need to be disassembled in order for correct access for a repair. This being complex damage, we removed the handle assembly, the window, the latch, and the carrier plate, and actually took the door off and placed it on a stand. So here you can see this door is a wide open access. That actually has a challenge in its own because we use leverage for our tools during the repair. Part of that crease lays upon that lower door beam. So we're gonna have to use some specialized tools to get some of the depth out of this lower body line.
Thank you for tuning into my video. For any dent repair needs, call or text Bones Dent Repair and let us help you today.